Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I feel like I've been missing going MIA. What's up with y'all? But anyway, today's wig is on Wiggins. Super cute. This wig was giving all the fall vibes. They gave me some goodies in the bag, which I always appreciate because I use one of their wig caps. Got that on my head right now. So the color of this wig is like ginger with like a brown root and like some brown highlights, or is it brown with ginger highlights? Girl, I don't know. You see the color. The color is super cute. It's definitely giving fall. It has like 2 stripes in the front. I'll have all the length details down below, but I do know it's a 13x4 on the lace. The lace is nice, big, full. I could do different styles with it. The inside of the wig came with 3 combs. I was super hyped about that because some people don't be putting combs, and I like to tie mine down, especially in the back. The lace was giving like whitish, so I did have to go in and apply some makeup to the lace. All right, so this is what it looked like after I believe, yeah, after I already put the lace on. I was going ahead, cut the ear tabs off and cut the lace off. I've been doing my wigs like this where I cut the lace off before I apply the wig, and I just personally like that better. But for some reason with this install, I was like, damn, maybe my next one I won't cut the lace off. I don't know. Oh, and I did something different with my ball cap method. I tried to cut it off with a straight razor. Please don't do that. Anyway, please stick to the waterfalls that you used to, okay? Use the eyebrow razor, do not use a straight razor. But yeah, I'm gonna start by putting the glue all over. The ball cap is giving. The ball cap is giving, honey. But anyway, I'm gonna start by putting glue all over my cap and like a little bit on my forehead. Do not put glue on your edges. I don't want to hear nobody talking about, oh, it pulled my edges out. No, that's because you put glue where you're not supposed to be putting glue. But anyway, yeah, so I just used the back of an edge brush and I smoothed that out. You can use a popsicle stick, but I ain't had no popsicles nearby, so we may do what we got. I let that completely air dry until it got clear. Clearly it's clear. You don't see no white. And then I just started laying my wig down. Yeah, very much so. Just laying it down. This is where I kind of thought like, maybe my next install, I won't cut the lace off. I don't know. I just been seeing all the girlies do it on TikTok. So I'm just like, fuck it. Let me try it with my next one. So my next one, y'all can be the judge of that. Y'all can be the judge whether or not I should cut my lace off or wait until I install it. But anyway, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It looks like my little bottle of Hold Me Down by Erica J is starting to run out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get re-up on that maybe this Christmas. But yeah, I'm spreading that all thin. Make sure you do a thin layer. I did about like 2 to 3 layers. That was like 3 days ago, I believe. Yeah, I think it was like 3 days ago. And I still have this wig on. Ear tab is lifted a little bit, but I still have the wig on. So yeah, after I did that, I laid my lace down and I'm taking a little bit of Got to Free freeze spray. And yeah, that corner right there is exactly where it lifted up right now. Yeah, but I'm taking a little bit of Got to Be free spray and I'm laying that on the lace to like melt our lace. And then I'm going to tie it down with an elastic band. So I already had in mind of what style I wanted to do with this wig. So I parted out my bang. And then I just sectioned off what was going to be like, did I do a ponytail? Yeah, I did do a ponytail, duh. I sectioned off what was going to be our ponytail. So I'm hop combing it all back just so the hair can go in the direction that I want it to. And then I'm just going to section it off by making like a little bun so I can separate the two, like the half up and the half down, because I wasn't ready to do the ponytail just yet. But yeah, I did that to the left side, and then I basically did the same thing to the right. The section in the front is what is going to be our bang. If you guys can see by the thumbnail, that's basically what I did. I did like a side swoop bang with a ponytail and some cute curls. Okay, so getting into the curls, I use like this wand curler, and it's linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure y'all check that out. It's down in the description below. But moving along, I basically wand curled the hair, and then I pin curled the wand curl. Yeah, I combined like 2 different methods, but anyway, I basically just take like little sections, I wand curl them, as y'all can see, and then I hold the curl and just use bobby pins or clips or whatever I had at the time to get everything situated. Child, it took me a little while to do this because I was taking little sections. So keep in mind, if you want like tight curls, little sections. If you want like a little bit like wavy kind of look, I would say go with bigger parts, bigger sections, because the smaller the section, the tighter the curl. Okay, so now I'm taking my band off and the wig is completely melted. I really gotta try it. I really gotta try it without cutting my lace off. But anyway, I had already sectioned out like where my baby hairs were gonna be, so that was already done. But now I'm taking like some freeze spray, and I'm going to be like free spraying a little bit of the ponytail side just to make sure everything is nice and sleek, so I can go on ahead and make my ponytail. I did not curl the ponytail just yet. I waited actually until I put it into a ponytail, obviously, to go on ahead and curl it and pin curls and all that good shit. But yeah, after I was done doing that, after I like tied it down with the hair tie, I went on ahead and took like a piece of that ponytail and I just wrapped it around to hide the hair tie, because the hair tie wasn't given. That was just standard. So y'all can say freeze spray to make this like more neater if you want to. Personally, I only use a little piece. I didn't really need to do all that extra shit. Okay, so now that our ponytail is nice and sleek, I'm basically doing the same thing, which I'm taking my wand curler, holding the curls, and then using clips to pin them. I did like 3 curls at the top, and I'm gonna show y'all in the end, but that kind of fucked me up. I really wish I would have did this style just straight hair, but I was just trying something new with pinning the wand curls. I don't know, girl, I don't know. I was just doing something different. Okay, so y'all can notice on the other side, I did not take out any baby hairs because I'm doing the side swoop. So that is what's going to be our baby hairs. And here I am swooping. I did use a little bit of freeze spray, a little bit. And I make sure I brush it out because you don't want no hard, crunchy swoop. So yeah, I use my hot comb to like direct the hair in the way that I want it to go. Played with it a little bit, put it behind my ear. Now, I did take some bobby pins to tie it behind my ear, but I've seen people like use rubber bands or like a hair tie and actually like tie it to the back of a piece of a weft or something. I ain't do that. I just use some bobby pins, and then at the end I'm gonna show you guys that I did curl the end of our side swoop, so it wasn't just straight hair. But here I'm showing you guys how I cut my baby hairs. I only did 3 baby hairs, as y'all can see. I'm using my Niobe wrapping foam, and I did not curl them or nothing like that. I literally just cut them, put a little bit of foam, and just started swooping with an edge brush and like making that C shape, using my finger to follow exactly where I wanted to lay my baby hairs. I did go on ahead and swoop them into the ponytail. A little bit, swoop them into the ponytail. Make sure you don't use a lot of remousse, because if you do that, your lace might come up, and that's a no bueno. Nobody wants their lace to be lifting after they just went on ahead and laid it down. So yeah, keep that in mind, that can happen to you. I know you can use Gorilla Snot, Freeze Spray, basically any product that you are comfortable with and you are okay with working with. That's what I use. And I like mousse because once I comb it out, brush it out, it doesn't give it like a hard crunch, no cast, nothing like that. Okay, so this is the part where I was talking about where I went on ahead and wand curled our side swoop. I didn't pin it, but I just left it the way it was. And then I put a little bit of freeze spray on the edges just to make sure everything was laid down. Not too much because you don't want to crunch. I took my Wiggins hairband, tied everything down, and yeah, you guys, this is the end result after I took all my curls out. Well, not the curls out, I took the pins out, obviously. But yeah, this is what it was looking like. I think this style is super cute, and the color on this wig is bomb. Like, Wiggins is giving variety, honey. So yeah, you guys, make sure y'all go on ahead and check the description for all the details on this hair. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.